Said you needed more time.
What's up, loves? Welcome back to another video. I know my mouth is not matching the clips, but I lost my volume, so we're just going to voice over through this. But this is the unit that we're going to be installing today, y'all. It's a 3-in-1 half wig. I love me a half wig. I just feel like they're so easy, so quick, so cute, and so versatile. So you do get you a little dust bag. They send over a sponge. I love when brands give me some goodies. So I got a clip. Girl, you can never have too many clips. They also sent over this gripper right here, and I feel like the grippers are more so for like wigs. You don't really need it for the half wig. And they also sent over an HD cap, but this is what we're starting out with, girl. We was looking a little bit on the rough side, okay, if I do say so myself. Right here, I'm just going to pour out a little area in the front, about 1 inch to 2 inches. You don't need too much hair out in the front, just depending on the style you want to achieve and how much hair you want to leave out. So I left like 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches worth of hair out, and then we're just going to straighten it out later on. But with this unit, you can curl it. It is from Luvme Hair. I've worked with this brand on multiple occasions, so I already know the quality of their hair is amazing. So this is what the inside construction of the unit looks like, and the hair, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So flowy, has so much body, which I absolutely love. So this is what it looks like at the top. You have your clips right there. So you have a big long clip at the top. Then you have clips on the side, which is going to help with security. Make sure this wig is not going anywhere, okay? And then they did put a drawstring in the back. So with the drawstring, that is just going to help tighten up the wig. Also, if you want to wear it like multiple ways, it just helps to tighten up the wig depending on how you want to wear the hair. And this drawstring is very, 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 very seamless. To install this half unit, you're just going to clip it right in, right behind the hair, the leave out hair that we left out. And you just want to make sure you put in the combs and do adjust that drawstring in the back to just make sure everything is secure. And this is what it should look like in the front. So you have your leave out, and now I'm just going to go through that leave out with the flat iron, but everything looks good, and it definitely did blend well. Like my hair blended well with this wig. And you can also apply this wig like going back a little farther if you want to leave out a little bit more hair, if you want to part your hair in the front. So just depending on the style that you are going for would depend on the placement of the unit. But I'm just going through applying some heat to my hair to match this texture, and this is what everything looks like, y'all. It looks so seamless. This is without slicking down my edges or anything. I just feel like it looks so natural. It looks like this unit is my hair, and you can't tell me no different. So now I'm just going to go through the flat irons just to blend everything together with my hair and the units. And girl, let's just flip this hair over and see what we're working with. I absolutely love it. I love the messy look, just like the flip over messy look. Edges don't have to be slick, but when you slick those edges down, baby, it takes it to a whole nother level. Can we take a moment and acknowledge the shine, the sheen in this hair and the body? Just look at it moving. Absolutely love it. Like, oh my goodness, it looks so good. So now we're just going to go ahead and slick those edges back and put everything, you know, in place, and a little like clean up everything just a little bit.
My hair closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurts so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away.
So you can rock this unit in a ponytail, like a low ponytail. If you do want to do a high ponytail, all you have to do is leave out your whole parameter, and so you can leave out all around, and you can rock you a high ponytail as well with this unit. So the looks are definitely versatile, and you can achieve a lot with it. But as you can see in the back, you cannot see anything, and that's because of the way they structured this unit. The construction of the unit is so nice. So now I'm just going to take the unit off and slick my hair entirely back. If you don't want to leave out any hair, all you have to do is just slick your edges back, girl, and throw that unit on and pop you on a headband. So this is for those days where you don't want to do much but you want a cute look. Just pop that unit on and put you on a headband. You can do a simple headband, or if you want to spruce it up a little bit, do you a nice little fancy headband. I'm going to show you guys at the end. But this is a look right here. It's so quick, so easy, so cute. But this is the end of the video. And of course, if you want to get more into doing different styles, you can definitely do it with this unit, because it is 3-in-1 and you can create so many different looks with this one unit. So I will have everything linked down below for you guys to click and check out this unit and shop it if you guys are interested. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys what the unit looks like with more of a fancier headband, which I feel like is so cute. But these clips right here, I did lose my volume, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching, but I'll see you guys later. Bye.